Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today we have a wig from RINA hair. It is a 210 density 28 inch 13x4 HD wig, and it is like a brownish blonde color with highlights. This is a body wave wig, and it is human hair, so the hair is soft and it doesn't have as much shedding. It came pre-parted in the middle, but I am not a middle part girl because I feel like my head is too big for a middle part, so I automatically was looking at how the side part would look. And this is supposed to be a HD lace, but it's not giving very HD right there, as you can see. So I had to work with the lace a little bit, just put some makeup on it and some liquid mousse, and that was about it. It melted just like that. Yeah, it also is supposed to be pre-plucked, but it doesn't look pre-plucked to me. And this wig will be in my description down below in my Amazon storefront if you are interested in buying a wig and any of the other products that I use for my wigs. And I guess that's all I have to tell y'all about this wig. It's a pretty good wig if you ask me. It's just the little minor things that they said in the description that they didn't provide with this wig. But it's a pretty cool wig. It's a pretty good wig, put it that way. But yeah, enjoy the rest of the video.
Knock out all your 30 tongues. C8 doors open up for me. Hear the engine roar. Switch to sport. I got somewhere to be, little baby. I'm important. Glock 19, it came with a drum. Yeah, that's my favorite gun. Ask if he my only nigga. I said no, but you my favorite one. Nah, for real. Yeah. Reds bitch, nigga, I'm one-on-one. You mean? Nah, I can't make you mines, but I can make you come. Freak up in the sheets, in them streets, baby, I'm a thug. I just threw 10,000 something ones in this fucking club. I'm popping this so hard, cause I ain't used to shit. These niggas ain't got no type, they want a stupid bitch.
When they say she get it from her mama, I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is humble like tell me in a humble play. Tell me is you down, cause I'm trying to go up tonight. Only hope you said the right. I just wanna put it in fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the melody I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. I say where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could.
clear. I got diamonds doing 50 stars in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas.
Spending all of my money, tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Black car, party in the backyard. Shawty got the black bra showing. Tatted up, ass fat enough. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. She a bad bitch and she already know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. Yeah, she know it. She gon' make me spend some money on it. Yeah, she know it. Whole bank account, I blow it. Go do a show then, bring some more in. Pockets bigger than a Samoan. I'm in the stage every time, shout it go in. Shout it go in, shout it go in. Booty hit the float in, slow motion. I'm so gone on Patron. I don't know how I'm getting home later on. Like throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money, tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing. Shout it thick, thicker than a snicker. Every time she do this for me and my niggas. And a friend do it with her. She don't even like girls, but a stack will make her kiss her. Gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her. She don't even like girls, but a stack will make her kiss her. Gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her, gon' kiss her. She keep fucking around, I'ma watch dismissal. Gon' kiss her. She make us rock, then jiggle. Put on the show then, bring that dough in. Booty bigger than a Samoan. I'm in the stage every time, shout it go in. Shout it go in, shout it go in. Booty hit the float in, slow motion. I'm so gone on Patron. I don't know how I'm getting home later on. Like throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money, tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
Yeah, and you know it. Look at how she throw it. Figured any bigger, baby girl gon' have to tow it. Sitting on the memes like Floyd, but she lied to you if she said I paid for it. Nigga, 99 broads, 99 broads. Panoramic view from the 99th floor. I'm like, my lord, when she down on all fours. Got a hood bitch with me, she ain't scared to take a charge. Flying by in a car, you don't know what you saw. She adjusting the bras and lighting up a cigar. They was writing me off, now I arrive like a star. I just sit back and laugh at the irony of it all. Let them bands go, let them bands go. Watch a nigga throw a grand of soap on that camel toe. And be like, damn boy, why you cuffing that whore? The whole thing smashed and you ain't even know it, God.
I ain't even know it, ain't know it. Take the car to the stage, then you seen a nigga thought, throwing that ass for days. Booty going up, down. I ain't got no problem spending all of my money, tryna see what's up now. I can do this all day like it ain't nothing.
Outside of magic, pulling up outside of magic. Low when I'm ripping the plastic, low when I'm popping the elastic. 777 on the deck, you ain't never hearing nobody from nasty. Georgia King, know that I'm keeping it ratchet. That nigga gave me his heart, that's when I gave him some head. That's when he gave me his card. I went to the mall and I maxed it. That nigga, yeah, maxed it. Say low my ass, say low my back. Ain't nothing like a Georgia girl. Ain't nothing like a Georgia girl. I went to the
From the blood, be light, fire it up, right it, baby. From the lyric, baby, beat it up. Chord that same on my son. Cries on the world, it's you. Beat it down to turn back, baby, I feel it. Say that I'm the one, 'cause you want to. When I'm not today, on the sky, even when the sun don't shine. Got faith in my eyes, pretty little hand. Even when I'm down to the wire, even when it do or shine. I do it, baby, simple thing. Here we are right here together, side by side beside each other.